Hello everyone, today I will show you how to align shapes on your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this home option and select a selection arrow down and select annotation. And first I'll align this to shape. And this is align option. You can horizontally align and also I'll align this to, this is top align and this is bottom align, and also I'll align this two of this. Also you can align right align. I'll align this to right align, this is left and this one right, and so on. In this way you can fix your shape alignment. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.